Hello guys, my name is Austin Dawson, and today I'm going to be reacting to Indoor Snowstorm Prank. It is uploaded by RomanAtwood. He has about over 8 million subscribers and 1 billion views on his prank channel. He also has a vlog channel that has over 5 million subscribers. I believe that has almost a billion. I'm not sure if it does or not. But his pranks they're pretty crazy. He's a really crazy dude. He has 2 kids, Noah and Kane, and a girlfriend named Brittany. So let's get this started. He also has a intro, Smile More. Looks like they're bringing some Christmas trees into his house. Who thinks of these ideas? Oh, fake snow. Who would honestly do this? This is just crazy. The next morning. Looks like they're gonna prank their kids.
It snowed so much. Yeah, you gotta check this out.
He seems so surprised. So does Noah.
Serious question. You think you can play all day in this?
I wish my house was like this.
Oh my god.
Indoor snowboarding.
That's what we're missing.
Whoa. Snowball fight.
Let's go get them kids.
They seem to have a lot of fun. A little motorcycle. Alright, that's it for that video. That was pretty crazy. They seem to have fun. And see you guys next time. Peace.